Hey, are you building your first Webflow website and it's ready to launch? If yes, then this video is for you because in this video I'm going to discuss about connecting your custom domain with Webflow website. Right? So stick around. Welcome back. My name is Ashok and I'm from India. I help companies with Webflow websites, SEO and marketing automations using Zapier and Integromat. On my LinkedIn profile, I have been requested to create a video on connecting a custom domain because there are lots of companies these days are building their websites on Webflow and want to connect their domain, custom domain. So it's a very easy process and this is how you can do it. Okay, so we are now in my Webflow project. Here is my Webflow account and this is the project of my existing website, Quick Designs. And if you look at here, if you click on these three dot settings, right, if you click that and after that you click on hosting, you get the hosting first, then you will be able to add your custom domain, right? So scroll down, here's your custom domain, right? So how you can do that? I have already added my domain. If you look at this, says issues detected. It happens sometimes, right? But it will Webflow will resolve this issue. If it doesn't, then you can do it in your GoDaddy account, right? Very easily just by adding these things. If I just hit check status, it will work, right? So add custom domain. See, if you click here, whatever the domain name you have, let's say domainname.com, just hit that and just click on add a domain. Since I already have a domain, so I'm not going to add that here. Let me cancel that up. And if you look at here, when I added my domain quickdesigns.in, so this is what Webflow has created for me. This is what I need to add in my GoDaddy account. So right, air records and txt records and cname records, right? So how you can do that, right? So let me show you that. Okay, so right now I'm in my GoDaddy account. As you can see, it's quickdesigns.in and here are my GoDaddy details, right? I would say, right, it's air records. If you look at my air records here on my Webflow website, it's 75.2.70 air record, right? It's here, right? So this is how you can add a record. So how you can add? Just go here, add, choose a type. It's a record, right? Because it is mentioned here the type. This is what Webflow has already given you, and click on name. Name should be a thread. That is what Webflow has given you, and if you click here, it will be copied, and just put the value here. And time to default, I always said 1 hour, right? And you just add the record and it will be done. So this is how you can add the air records, cname for your website, and it will work. It's a proxy as a Webflow. See, so this is how you can add these, and once added, it generally takes 10 to 15 minutes to get your website live, but sometimes it takes time if it's on Namecheap or Google, right? It depends on how the server responds, right? But this is how you can add your domain to your website, and it's pretty easy. Once added, just hit on click check status, and it will check the status and it will says connected, right? Right now it's issue detected, it's fine, it's not an issue, but you can make changes there and it will work automatically, right? So this is how you can do it, and let me know if you have any questions. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video and you have made your website live now. If you have not, then I'm sure you will with Webflow. Webflow is an amazing tool, and if you're looking to build amazing website with Webflow, then you can check out my other videos on animations, how you can create a great animations on Webflow website. So very easily, very simple steps that you can follow and create a nice looking animation so that you can engage your users on your website, right? So if you have any questions, queries, any doubts, you can reach out to me anytime through my website or just leave a comment here and I will reply to your comments. Bye.